10 reasons why your business must be on Pinterest.
Should my business be on Pinterest? What will Pinterest do for my business? People are on Pinterest to find inspiration, new things to try, and answers to their problems. Pinterest isn't just for collecting recipes and science fair projects anymore. It goes way beyond arts and crafts, and it's here to stay. Think of it as a search engine in which searches come up as images, not just words, and that allows you to save or share them. It stores your research, making it available for later. Pinterest isn't exactly a social media platform, even though it allows you to share pins and message other users. It's a powerful visual search engine that businesses and brands can use to market their products or services while establishing your brand/blog authority. If you are watching this video, it's because you are wondering if Pinterest would be good for your business. Here are the top 10 reasons.
1. Pinterest wants to share your content.
Unlike Facebook and Instagram, Pinterest wants you to share links to your content, products, and services. Every pin you add to the platform includes a link that leads back to your page. There's no limit on how many links an account can share.
2. Pinterest users, pinners, want to click.
Pinners know that pins are just as thumbnails or magazine covers for what they are looking for. They know that in order to find the answer, the idea, or to know more about what they want, they must click and leave the platform.
3. You don't need a huge following to be seen.
Someone with a small engaged following has the same chances of having the content shared as someone who has a bigger following. It's all about the quality of your content and how pinners receive it. Nevertheless, Pinterest has been suggesting that creating an engaged following is powerful when it comes to having your content shared organically.
4. Pinners are open to discovering new brands on Pinterest.
According to Pinterest, 97% of the searches are unbranded and 68% of pinners have discovered a new brand on Pinterest. You don't need to be a huge brand to succeed.
5. US folks hang out on Pinterest.
More than half of US millennials are on Pinterest. Through this research, we discovered that when it comes to figuring out core necessities like food, home decor, and style, Pinterest is the #1 destination for 18 to 34-year-olds who use the platform, outranking all other services and apps.
6. Moms love Pinterest.
8 out of 10 moms in the US are on Pinterest. Why does it matter? Because, according to Pinterest itself, moms are often the primary decision makers when it comes to buying products and services for their household.
7. Dads are coming to Pinterest too.
38% of US dads are on the platform researching and discovering DIY projects, home decor, style, food, drink, and the outdoors.
8. Traffic, traffic, traffic.
With good content and a good pinning strategy, Pinterest can become your website's biggest source of traffic. Pinterest quickly becomes the #1 source of traffic coming from social networks and #2 overall source of traffic for my clients.
9. Organic traffic isn't dead.
As much as Pinterest relies on promoted pins, ads, for revenue, it hasn't turned into a pay-to-play platform. High-quality organic content will always be needed and shared.
10. Pinterest users want to try something, do something, or buy something.
People come to Pinterest to search, discover, and solve problems. They are on the platform to get ideas from businesses to figure out what to do or buy next.